So here we are, day 3, episode 3, beachcombing, salvaging, and rock hounding on Quadra Island.
Last day.
Look at that, folks, piss on a plate. Got our first rope find here. She's small.
Nice one.
You're always bound to find boat garbage. Nobody throws their boats away properly these days is what we're finding. That looks like a double eagle, 16.5 foot, 1979, front left panel. Okay, I made it out to a little pinnacle out here. Nice and clear water. Some stupid old lure from my shed. Sometimes they work best. You get a lot of snags in this area, you lose a lot of gear, so you don't want to be using your best stuff out here. Here we go. You can get a good cast out here and it drops right off. Lots of rock fish in the area, and occasionally you get the winter spring when they're in close to shore like this. Let it sink down a bit and then start slowly reeling. Nothing yet. Oh my God. We already have seafood. Look at this. Okay, I'm not having much luck fishing, but bam, look at this. That right there is a West Coast oyster, fresh, ready to roll. We're gonna start a fire and we're gonna cook this. That's exciting. So we got one oyster. 2 oysters would feed us both.
I'm eating half that oyster.
Actually brought us a full food rock here. There's mussels all over it too. So what we're gonna do is bring this to the fire and kind of put it right on side the fire there. Look at the colors in this oyster. Seriously, look at those colors. Oh my God. Fresh oysters. A bucket find. This here has the bottom out of it. I don't know what it could be used for. Molly, you better not get fleas, girl, or you're going in the tunnel. Dun 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 dun. Yo! That's crazy. Boom! There's a score. There's a nice barrel. A lot of people put these on the side of their house or the greenhouse for rainwater catchment systems. Oh, we got another oyster. Oyster count is getting up there. Gonna have to get that. Okay, I got it pulled up close enough to grab. Ooh, these oysters out here just have the coolest colors on them. Whoa, rope score. That's a good one. That's a decent rope right there. Nice. Looking at a 25 footer. We just came out, we did a little catch and cook. We caught nothing. So we got 4 nice rippers sitting right by the fire, and we're ready to get into this. Mussels are gonna go in the wok. We're gonna throw some butter on them, get some panko going, and put on that Salt Spring Kitchen pineapple turmeric artichoke. Hot sauce, baby. Now that's the good stuff right there.
I'll go get us some water. I'll be right back.
Brother's going for the salt water because it actually makes your seafood taste buttered. Got our mussels going in. Couple more going in. All right, I might even move these oysters down a little closer to the flame. Starting to get a sizzle out of one of them here. Oh, that one on the end there is opening up. Starting to open up, so the way you know they're finished is when they open right up. And we got the mussels going. We got a pretty hot fire going here.
And I had these nearby. I would definitely be living good.
Yeah. Big Daddy Honcho in the house. That's gonna taste real nice with some of that hot sauce going down. Okay, got the butter in the skillet. Got the mussels. Here we are with the biggest oyster. Oh, dude, it's huge. Look at that. That is the size of the palm of my hand. That's probably 4 or 5 ounces. It's always good to have gloves with you because it's a pretty hot job. That's what I'm talking about. And then the cool thing is you got this for the plate afterwards. Plop it back in the nice clean shell. Panko in there. Yeah, right. Oh my god. Bougie. Okay, here we go. We've finished our cook-off. This is what we came up with.
Yeah, boy.
Amazing. We got some hot sauce on there. I'm actually gonna have a little more. Let me know.
I love the mussels. They fucking turned out so good. I'm a little scared of oysters.
Okay, here we go. Get those pine needles off of there. I'm gonna go in with one of these oysters first. Ooh, got the sauce all over it.
It's like chicken.
No way! No way! Oh my god, it tastes like straight out of a restaurant. Oh my god, like,
The sauce is so flavorful.
and the onions.
Yeah, the onions.
So the butter, the onions, and a little bit of garlic
Yep.
mixed with that salt spring sauce. We're gonna go into the big one here. The big oyster. Solid mouthful, it's only halfway done. The flavors are hitting so hard. Unbelievable. Wipe the rest of that. Thank you guys. This has been our little cook-off here.
Mother Nature is awesome.
Whoa. Okay, we just finished off at that beach there. All done. Belly's full, and we're moving on to the next beach. We're not getting many finds out here on this beach because we're really desolate out here. There's not many people. There's not a lot of garbage, so maybe the next place will hold some treasures. You never know until you look.